So welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be talking about operators. And operator is something that is common to all programming languages. And I'll be walking us through the different types of operators we have in this video. But before we start, let's do what we know how to do best for now. Now let's try to create our file, which we would call what? Operators.py. Now, before I go into the code or start explaining, I just want to give you an overview of what operators are in this video. And I would introduce us to the different types of operator. But in subsequent video, I'll be explaining each of the different operators we have in the Python programming language. Yes. First, let me define what operators are. Now, operators are special symbols in Python programming language, right? And what they help us to do is to perform computation. Now, computation in what sense? We're talking about arithmetic computations, logical computations, comparison computations, etc. So, let me give you examples of operators. A simple example of operator is your equals to sign. We have others like um, and, we have others like or, we have others like not, we have others like we have others like in, we have others like greater than, we have others like less than, we have others like not equal to, and so many others. Now, basically in Python, we have 7 different types of operators. Now I'm going to explain each of those different operators for us. Yes. Now, the first type of operator, uh, we call them arithmetic operators. Arithmetic what? Operators. Now, what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators help us to perform mathematical operations. And examples of arithmetic operations operators are plus, minus, etc. Now, the second type of operators, um, second type of operators, that's the second type of operators, we'll call them comparison operators. Now, what are comparison operators? Comparison operators are used to compare values of two or more variables actually. And examples of such, if you want to compare, I am older than you, my age is greater than your age, this and this, that and that, right? So which means we'll be using what? Greater than, we'll be using less than, we'll be using greater than or equal to, and etc. We'll still talk about all of this in their respective videos. Now, the third type of operators we have are called logical operators. Now, logical operators are what's the name? Are these type of operators that help us to make logical deduction between two or more values. An example of such is what? And, or not. Right, logical operators. Take note, I'm still explaining each of these type of operators in their own respective videos. Now, the next type of operators we have are called assignment operators. Now, what are assignment operators? Assignment operators are used in Python to assign values to a variable. An example of assignment operator, simple example of assignment operator is what? Equal to sign, right? Now, the next type of operator we have are called identity operators. Now, we have what we call identity operators. Identity operators. Now, what are identity operators? Identity operators are to check that two values are located in the same place in the memory, or two values are equal. Now, for example, I can say girl is equals to girl. In Python, if I see girl is equals to girl, like that is, girl 1 is equals to girl. We might think that that is true, right? But that is false, because both of them have different attributes. Girl 1 is not the same as girl 2, right? Now, the next that we have is called membership operators. Now, what are membership operators? Membership operators are used to check that a value of variable is found in a sequence. I think so for this case, sorry, for the identity operator, we have examples like is and is not. You see is and is not. And the next one is seven. Seven, we have, sorry, six, I mean. We have membership operators. And I said membership operators are used to check that what a value is present in a sequence. For example, if I want to say H, or example of such is in. Is she in this class? Membership. Are you a member of that class? Is she not in that class? Do you understand? And the last type of operator, which I will not be talking about with you guys for now, but in later series, I'll be talking about it. It's called what? Bitwise operator. I just want you guys to know about these operators. But in later videos, I'll be talking about bitwise operators. I hope to see in the next video, we'll be talking about arithmetic operators. Thank you.